CycleDrag.com, we have something special for you here. So many of you already know what this is because the paint is iconic. That is stock original paint, and yes, this is the 750cc two-stroke Kawasaki H2 750 motor. Please give me one of these someday. This is on my list. I want one of these in my garage. It is truly a piece of history, whether you are a street enthusiast. If you're a drag racer, it's certainly a part of history. Back in the day, you had guys like Dave Schultz and Paul Gast racing these in pro stock, and now we still see them out in Super Eliminator. They're incredibly fast. Guys like Bill Baxter in Texas have gotten his motorcycle into the 7-second zone, naturally aspirated. He's got the world's quickest naturally aspirated. But look at the collector market on these things. And this brings up a good point, is a lot of those drag bikes out there, some of them that are sitting in barns and not being used anymore, it might be a good idea to try to restore them to street form, because at Mecum auction, this motorcycle brought in $14,000. It is so finely restored. Take a look at how clean the engine is inside with the petcock and the original air cleaners. This motorcycle was known as the Widowmaker, and for good reason, because if you didn't know what you were doing, if you didn't have motorcycle experience, even if you did, it could slide you off the back so quickly. It was kind of like the Hayabusa is today. You better know what you're doing if you're going to strap a leg over one of these ultra powerful 750s. I had the opportunity to ride one. It has one of the most wicked power bands that I've ever felt. When this thing would kick in, it would put a nice trail of blue smoke. It would put the front wheel up in the air almost instantaneously. And guys, look at how clean it is. 3 cylinders, 3 carburetors, 3 exhaust pipes. Here's what I want to know. Did you have one of these? Do you have any memories of these? Did your friends have one of these? Please share some photos, share some thoughts, give us some inside information. Here's something you don't see on new bikes, right? Too often. This is the oil injector. When you stop for gas, you filled up the tank with gas and you put your 2-stroke oil in right here. It was common back in the 70s when these 2-stroke bikes were legal for street use. Look how clean it is. Of course, no electric start. You were kick-starting this motorcycle. It was very light, nimble, and powerful. This one is so beautiful, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope this video does it justice of just how clean it is. If you like bikes like this, make sure you like CycleDrag.com on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe to Cycle Drag on YouTube. We got more coming. We got drag racing coverage, performance street bike coverage, all kind of cool stuff. This is the 1972 Kawasaki H2 750. Guys, it's a piece of history. If you know where one is, please let me know.